it depends, but if you say so, I believe you. I'm gonna go over here now, okay?
No.
I'm just gonna go right over here.
I'm going over here. There.
Now I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna come all the way over here. I'm gonna be chilling over here.
Yeah, I'm just seeing what else we got here. What else I think should go on the tree. I think some of these bears need.
That's baby. That's mom. Daddy.
That's the mommy? No, that's the daddy. That's the dad Santa? Who's that?
That's kid.
That's the dad Santa too?
No, that's this kid.
Okay.
Oh, Ava, choo-choo train.
That kid.
You know what would be great if we had